Oh, look at this, guys. Welcome back. We are back in the store. Yep, my friend that sent me those pictures this morning was absolutely on the ball. We are having a 50% off extravaganza at your Dollar General. And you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in, please, and thank you. Attach it to your Facebook news feed with a little note that says, please pass on. Because somebody out there needs this information, and they're going to love you for sharing it. So, thank you for doing that. Leave a comment. If you see a penny, scream out. If you've got any new clearance information, also let me know in the comments. Alrighty, and allow the video to play all the way to the end, please. It's super important. YouTube is watching, and it does matter. It helps keep us in the algorithm, and that is super important. Okay, right now, so you know. And then, of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, /subscriber, well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe now. That way you won't miss a thing. You'll get your daily deal every day. And you know, you want to know. So go ahead and subscribe, do it now. That way you won't miss out. Alright, business aside, guys. Yes, all done. Let's have a look at this stuff. Yeah, we've got 50% off. Now, we all know these things will go down a little bit more, the summer stuff, as we graduate. Not sure if this stuff will be on additional 50% off with the clearance event. But let me explain how that will work, because some people are new and they don't understand how that works. Now, when you have items that are already discounted, let's go 50%. Already off, and we have the clearance event, it's an additional 50%. So what we're going to use is this $10 pool, which is now $5. And at the clearance event, it will be half of the $5. Okay, so $2.50 is what this will be on the clearance event, or $5 now. And like I said, we've got a lot of this stuff. We've got the Pampers Splashers, and it's a diaper, guys. It is a diaper. So we have that. We have these water toys. A lot of this stuff can be used for next year. Now, these right here, all on 50% off. These are not tagged. The shoes are not tagged, but all of these shoes, 50% off. So $2.50 for the shoes. And Lord, you hear the Halloween witches already screaming down on the aisle. All of this stuff, Green Dot, 50% off. So you can get washcloths for $2.50. And these are nice and thick washcloths. These ones right here. And they are in blue. And they're 100% cotton. And they are in green. And I kind of really like the green ones. Okay. We also have this hanging planter. That is normally $5, will be $2.50. Look at that. Hang this on something. Not quite sure what, but there you go. It can hold washcloths. Okay, all of this stuff, 50% off. And it's not even a clearance event. Okay, so much of this stuff. And some of this stuff, I mean, really, you're looking for El Cheapo Christmas gifts, and you got people who just started housekeeping. You got things like these glasses that'll be 50%. These things are heavy-duty glasses, too. These really pretty coffee cups, they're $1.50 right now. Little soft sauce containers. The rugs. Not sure about those rugs unless they're Green Dot. If they're Green Dot, then they're going to be 50% off. Okay. Dish drying mats, $1.50. And it's good to have more than one of these so you can change them out and wash it and then put it back. Okay, all of these silly containers, plastic things. Oh, yes. Let's talk about. And it looks like they may have moved them. Or they don't have very many at this store left, because this is all they seem to have at this store. Okay, you have the True Living food storage set. This is $2.50. Look at everything in this for $2.50, guys. I mean, this is a winner, no-brain dinner right here. Okay, you picked up this right here for the holidays, because after all those holiday meals, you're going to have a variety of sizes of leftovers, and this is what I buy these for every year. I buy one of these just for Thanksgiving dinner, so that everybody can have what they want to take home with them. We also have the regular meal prep containers that are $5 if you prep meals to freeze or to take to work. I mean, awesome deals on all of these. And on these ones, right here, and they have some different ones that are much prettier. These are great for the holidays. You make baked goods. You fill up each one of these with a different baked good, stack them on top of each other, and wrap them with a ribbon. Okay? Great holiday gift giving ideas for half price. Okay, now we're going to talk about a deal that I showed you in the last video, and hopefully you watched it, because it is an awesome deal. But the reason why we're going to talk about it is because we were a little short. We were a little short on that deal because we have a store coupon. That deal was $26.50. It needed to be $28. So we need to add another item to that deal, and we'll put it right here again so you can see it. But the kicker of that entire deal is this right here. This is a double dip. You've got $3.55 coming off on this. Okay? So, double dip on that. One of them is a store coupon. Now, that is your main deal for that deal. I'm going to show you another deal that we're going to do with this and a few other items for Saturday. Okay, what you're looking at here is $30.05. Dawn Super Suds, Dawn Power Wash, you got a $2 off, a $2 off. The Tide Clean Boost, you got a $1.55 and a $2 off. OxiClean, $5, you've got a $2 off. Snuggle, $3.75, you got a $1.25 off. Okay, guys, this is the deal. 2 Dawns, Dawn Power Suds, Dawn Power Wash, $2 off on each one. Tide Clean Boost, you got a double dip on this, $1.55 and 2. Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, you got a $5 off on that. Snuggle fabric softener, $3.75, you got a $1.25 off on that, and a Gain small spaces, or you can get a Snuggle Crystal for $3.75 with your $2 earn if you still have that. Okay, you're at $30.05 here. What's coming off is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $18 is going to be coming off with your 5 off of 25 on this deal. $18 off of 30. That's going to leave you out of pocket of $12 and change for these items right here, guys. Now that's a definite winner chicken dinner deal for Saturday. It gives you dish detergent. It gives you a full array of laundry items. as well as a bathroom air freshener. So straight up, great deal. All under $15. So, yeah, great deal in the laundry department. But if you don't want to do this right here, you can replace it with this right here. Okay? Because you have a $2 off on this also. So, right here, the difference on your out-of-pocket is going to be about $1.50. Okay? Less is what it's going to be. $1.50 less than what it is now. So it'd be about $10 for what you're looking at right here. Okay? Well, this thing just don't want to stand up, does it? Trying to get it to look all nice and neat and pretty for you. There you go. All that would be around $10 on Saturday. Just remember, if you're doing this item, it's a double dip and you got to go a little over, okay? Just like with that deal I showed you last time. You'll need about $1.90, maybe $2 to make this work and get your 5 off. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about is the Lysol air sanitizer, because we've got a $3 off on this stuff, and we've got all kinds of different scents now, and compared to the regular Lysol, this is much better. And it's about to be that time of year, so go ahead and stock up on your Lysol air sanitizer, and that way when people start coming down with the sniffles, then you can just spray them away. Alright, guys, I do believe, okay, well, real quick, let's do a quick laundry rehash. Double dip on these right here. Okay, a 3 and a 2.55, 3 and a 2.55 on those, double dip. $2 off on the Persil. $1.55 off on this. $2.05 off on the Tide Pods. And then we have earns on all the alls. $1 on this all. $2 on the $12 all. $1 on the Purex here. And the bigger Purex up down there is $2. All earns. So, good laundry deals. And of course, we just talked about the Arm & Hammer ones. The Arm & Hammer has really good laundry deals this time. As well as, where is it at? Oh, this one right here, the Clean Sensation, the $6 one. Up top, you've got a $2 off on that one as well. So there you go, guys. Oh, and we have a $1.55 or $1.05 on these little $5 trial size Unstoppables. So there you go. Great laundry deals. Great deals in general. Like I said, when it comes to laundry, snacks, sodas, cleaning products, shampoo, conditioner, this is the place you want to go. Okay? Especially if you're a couponer. If you're not a couponer, well, you're missing out. So guys, blessings, and I'll talk to you again next video, because we'll have more deals, and you know you want to know.